Hey friends, 𝗪𝘆𝘀 from My Learning Center welcomes you. In today's article, we're going to talk about industries that are least affected by recession. A recession can be the great time to start a business as the costs can be much lower than starting one during a boom period. Commencement of the business during a recession will also set your business up well for the long haul. But you definitely have to do a research before jumping into starting a business. You just cannot go out and start any business. If you can get a business idea like those listed above up and running during an economic downturn, then you would have a great opportunity of achieving even more success once the economy recovers. The best recession-proof businesses listed below have much less to fear from rising interest rates and a fluctuating GDP than most of other businesses, with many having the potential to actually do even more business than usual. Healthcare services. The healthcare industry continues to grow even during recessions due to a combination of rising demand and the constant advancement in the field of science and medicine. There will always be the requirement for several healthcare services, with some in particular tending to rise in demand during harder times. Digital marketing. No matter what the economy is doing, digital marketing such as SEO, SEM, social media campaigns, and email marketing will always be one of the most cost-effective ways to reach new customers. A recession will only amplify the low investment needed to generate more leads and conversions through a sound SEO strategy. Grocery and food stores. Unsurprising, the grocery store and food industry tries to thrive in the economic downturn times. Profits earned in groceries, food chains, and stores remain fairly steady during a recession. Interesting. The eating habits of consumers in times of crisis are triggered and increased. People tend to consume more when stressed and idle, mainly sweets and alcohol. Financial advisor and accountants. In the market, everyone starts worrying about how to handle their financial future. Individuals want to ensure their investments are stable or even invest in new opportunities. Businesses rely on advice from their accountants to help them survive during recession. Cybersecurity and tech support. The current recession has driven activity online. People are shopping, working, communicating, and streaming more digitally than ever before. Businesses that thrive in recession always adapt to current trends, and those with the skills to stop cyber criminals and help newly remote office workers are discovering opportunities. And finally, the repairs. Even when the economy is slow, things are going to break. The recession would not slow rain on the roof, water in the pipes, and requirement for auto maintenance. That is the reason why the plumber, electricians, roofers, and mechanics, etc. do much better during recession. The recession-proof business idea listed above are just a small sampling of the businesses that are entirely viable to start during a recession. So, if none of these ideas resonate with you, hew your line of thinking to the principles. An inelastic product or service and a business that provides a product or service that people are looking for specifically during recession. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. I have prepared a complimentary mini course on the topic, The Lazy Man's Way to Find Out How to Generate Income During Recession. This course is now available on our website, and you can access this course by clicking the link given in description. So grab your copy right now.